Hello friends, welcome to the Textual Education. It is an online education platform. This is an Angular tutorial series part 2 about installation and setup process. This course will be an job oriented course with all Angular features from basic to advanced concept. We will also do practice for interview preparation. So let's start the video. As you know, this is the installation and setup process video. So let's take a look for the contents. In this video we will learn the introduction about course content, software installation, software requirements and Angular setup. Let's walk you through the one by one. This is the course contents that we will learn in this entire tutorial series. The introduction part we have already learned. The software requirement we will learn today. Installation and setup process today. Then we will create a Hello World basic application by using commands. Then we will learn the project structure, basics of TypeScript, components, routing, tasks, forms, events, services, APIs. We will create 5 mini projects, one major project, interview questions, interview tips, job recommendations, job oriented future, and many more. Okay, so let's first we check the software requirements. To work with Angular, we need Node.js, npm, Angular CLI and VS Code IDE. Let's take a look one by one. What is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript outside the browser, mainly on servers. Node.js is not a language, it is a runtime environment. It is used to build server-side applications and it built on Google Chrome VS 8 engine. So let's download the Node.js and install our system. So what is the process? Go to the nodejs.org site and select your OS, then download and simply follow and double click the downloader and follow the process next with the default settings. Once your installation is done, open your command prompt, then run below these commands: node-v to check the node version, npm-v to check the npm version. These commands will show you the installed node and npm versions. Okay, so let's check the installation process. Now the next software is npm. npm extends for Node Package Manager. It is a default package manager for Node.js. It manages external libraries. So what is the use of npm? It is used to install external libraries, manage dependencies, run scripts. npm comes automatically with Node.js. Once you install the Node.js, it will automatically install the npm also. So have a look on basic commands of npm. npm init to initialize the application, npm install express to install the external libraries, npm uninstall express to uninstall the installed library, npm install g express to install the libraries in global setup. So we will learn this in coming series. Now next software requirement is VS Code. It is very important to install the VS Code to work with Angular code. What is VS Code? VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. It is a free, lightweight code editor used to write, run and debug your Angular application. So VS Code is a IDE that is used to develop your application. It is not a compiler. It is not an IDE like Eclipse, it is a smart code editor. Free code editor by Microsoft. It is a product of Microsoft. Supports multiple languages. We can develop applications in Java, Python, Angular, React, and many more. It is used for front-end and back-end both. What is the process for installation? Download process. Open a browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. Then download the setup as per your Windows, means as per your OS system. Simple, the process is simple. Just double click on installer and follow the step. Next. It will install the VS Code. Okay, and the last one is CLI. What is CLI? CLI stands for command line interface. It is a way to interact with your system using commands instead of mouse clicks. It is a command based interface that is used to work with your Angular application. Okay, so it is used to run commands, helps to create projects, automate tasks. It is command based interface, faster than GUI, mostly preferred by these developers. How to install CLI? Install Node.js. This installs CLI automatically. Once you install the Node.js, it will also install the CLI. So the process is same. Once you install the Node.js, the npm and CLI automatically install in your system. Okay, so let's first we install the Node.js. Okay, now open your browser, just type nodejs.org. Click on download option. Select your operating system here. I have a Windows, so I am going with Windows. Now download installer MSI. It will take some time to download the installer file. Once it is downloaded, then just double click and okay. let's install VS Code. Open your browser and search VS Code download. Click code.visualstudio.com, first link. Open this link and select your OS version and download. I am using Windows, so I'll go with Windows. It will auto start to download. Once it is downloaded, just double click on this down files. I have already downloaded, so I am cancelling this one. Just tap this exe file. It will open a window, installation window, to install your VS Code in your system.